Noovi Nail Lamp is marketed as a UV/LED nail lamp that promises fast-curing, salon-quality gel manicures and professional results in the comfort of your home. The marketing makes it look effortless, but the real question is, what does the marketing say? Now, to be fair, UV/LED nail lamps are a legitimate beauty tool and are widely used for curing gel nail polish at home and in professional salons. What it does well: fast gel curing. It can cure compatible gel polishes much faster than air drying. Convenient home use. The lamp allows you to do gel manicures without visiting a salon, where the hype falls apart. It only works with compatible gel products. A nail lamp won't dry regular nail polish. It's designed for UV or LED gel formulas. Results depend on the polish. The quality of your manicure depends just as much on the gel polish and application technique as the lamp itself. Not every lamp cures equally well. Lower-powered lamps may require longer curing times or may not perform as consistently with certain gel brands. So, should you buy the Noovi Nail Lamp? Short answer: yes, if you regularly use gel nail polish. If you're looking for an affordable way to do gel manicures at home, it may be worth considering. But don't expect salon-quality results without using good products and proper technique. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.